In this demo, I will show you how to use AI to generate a normalized table as well as a JSON Relational Duality View within Oracle Database 23 AI. I will start in Oracle Database Actions, previously known as the SQL Developer Web. First, I'm going to launch our new AI Assist by clicking Chat AI. In the AI Assist, I'll give it a prompt that outlines exactly what I want. As you can see, I'm working with data about athletes for a fictional interplanetary games app. I'll specify that I want event storage with the event times, the sports, and the locations. I want to include our athletes' data, including their names, their home planets, and I want the attendees along with the events they're attending, their credit cards, and scheduled events. I'll also ask for at least 10 rows of sample data for this same schema. For this request, I'm including guidelines on how to format our SQL and what I want our primary keys to look like. Next, I'll bring this script over to our worksheet, where I can review the SQL that came back, as well as the Data Definition Language, or DDL. At this point, I want to check that everything is correct, such as our primary keys, our foreign keys, our triggers, and our indexes. And if something is wrong with the script, I update it here in the worksheet. Then I'll run the script and create these tables in the local database, where I'll take a quick look to ensure all my requested data points and sample data came over into the database. Moving over to SQL Developer for VS Code, I'm going to connect to my database. That's where I created a set of relational tables to store my data and generate a duality view. I will launch the Duality View Builder, which also allows me to graphically design and alter the structure of this duality view. It will also generate the actual DDL syntax for me. The goal is to represent in a duality view the athletes and their schedules. So I'm going to add these 3 tables I need: the athletes, athlete events, and the events. As I add the tables, I will ensure that only the alias is exposed for easier use over the direct table name. Then I will start selecting the columns that I would like to expose in this duality view. I'm making sure that the middle table, the intersection table, does not actually get exposed in the duality view, except as an array of the children. As I'm doing this, I can see at the bottom the GraphQL syntax is being generated. I can find the structure on the right-hand side. Now I will test the query and check the structure represents what I expect it to be. And finally, I select Create Duality View. Once this view is created, I'll verify it exists and give it to our developers to start accessing this relational data through Duality. As you can see, Oracle Database 23 AI made it easy to use GenAI to get exactly what I need from my data. And with JSON Relational Duality View, I was able to combine the usability of JSON and the power of relational.